Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. West Indies Petroleum share price, which sells bunker fuel and logistics services, has seen its share price grow by 2,300% on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, starting at 50 cents in December 2025 to over $12 by mid-January. The massive price jump occurred with low trading volume, meaning few shares were actually traded, which created scarcity. West Indies Petroleum briefly became one of the Jamaica Stock Exchange's most valuable companies, with a valuation of over 135 billion Jamaican dollars. That said, West Indies Petroleum reported a 6% decline in 9 months net profit. Management highlighted, and I quote, "Despite a 6% quarterly and a 3% year-to-date revenue decline, management expects an immediate reversal driven by a CET waiver benefits and higher volume from a major client with the island's largest gas station network. Continued diversification and anticipated growth in third-party storage and throughput volumes remain key performance drivers for 2026, end quote. Following the report of lower earnings, the stock price dropped and it traded at approximately $9.20 midday on Thursday, January 16, 2026, and closed at $7.31 at the close of trading. For the trading period of January 16, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 12,728,463 units, or 45.54% of market sales activities. Jamaican Teas Limited with 2,561,887 units, representing 9.17% of market sales activities. Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company Limited with 2,201,762 units, representing 7.88% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, construction, and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for January 16, 2026. Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. The US dollar saw trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $158.31 and buying at $156.57. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by a $2.02 transaction spread. The Canadian dollar sold for $114.30 and was bought for $112.28. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $3.47 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $211.58 and was bought for $208.11. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, did you know that the stock exchange can sometimes bypass your credit report as a way to access cash to borrow? The credit report has been positioned as the primary gateway to opportunity, and rightly so. A strong credit profile can unlock access to capital, favorable interest rates, and the ability to move quickly when investment opportunities arise. But credit is not the only form of leverage available to individuals who are intentional about building assets. Your stock portfolio can become a source of leverage that unlocks liquidity expansion and new income streams without selling your stock market holdings. Whether your shares are held on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, Barbados Stock Exchange, New York Stock Exchange, or the Toronto Stock Exchange, the principle is the same. If your shares have value, they can be used as collateral. It's called pledging, and it does not require a credit report. Pledging shares involves using publicly traded equities as collateral for a loan or credit facility. Shares listed on regional exchanges such as Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados, along with holdings in US and Canadian markets, can form part of a broader leverage strategy when portfolios are properly documented and valued. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.